In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly as a real estate agent to streamline your scheduling process in just 5 minutes. Calendly can be a game changer for organizing your appointments, consultations, and property viewings, ensuring that your days are better managed and more productive. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Calendly website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to click on Sign Up to get started. If you've already set up an account, go ahead and log in. For those signing up, you have the option to register using your email address, or you can opt to connect via your Google or Microsoft account. Doing so allows for easy synchronization with your existing calendar, keeping all your schedules aligned. Once you're logged in, it's crucial to connect both your personal and work calendars to Calendly. This important step ensures that conflicts are avoided, giving your clients the flexibility to book appointments only when you are truly available. You definitely don't want overlapping appointments, especially when showcasing multiple properties. Now, let's configure your availability. Navigate to your account settings and click on Availability. Here, set your general weekly office hours when you're open for business. This helps manage expectations for when clients can book you for appointments. Next, consider setting up buffer times before and after meetings. This is particularly valuable, giving you leeway for travel between properties or simply some time to regroup and prepare for your next meeting. These buffers can be a lifesaver, ensuring you're not rushed and can maintain a professional demeanor throughout your day. It's also wise to create event types specific to real estate. Go to your dashboard and click + Create, followed by Event Type. For most real estate agents, choosing one-on-one suits individual meetings like property showings and buyer consultations. When creating these event types, fill in the details for each real estate event. For example, select an event name that's descriptive such as buyer consultation or property viewing. Then, designate the location. Whether it's a phone call, a virtual meeting via Zoom, or an in-person tour, setting this up correctly is key. Don't forget about the appointment duration. Setting a clear time limit, like 30 or 60 minutes, can help you maintain control of your schedule. Once your calendar is set up, sharing your booking link is the next step. Clients can access this link in various ways. For starters, add it to your email signature. It's a simple yet effective reminder for clients to book with you effortlessly. Consider embedding your Calendly booking page on your website, making it readily accessible to those browsing your services. And for single property websites, you can even create unique links for each listing. Lastly, make the most of social media by adding your scheduling link to your profiles. It's an easy way to reach a wider audience by encouraging them to schedule a time with you. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to a more streamlined and efficient scheduling process with Calendly, ultimately making your career as a real estate agent smoother and more productive. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!